Hey there, Brett with Kanto here again. Today I wanted to show you our family of in-wall TV mounts. These in-wall mounts allow you to extend, swivel, and tilt your TV like a traditional full motion mount, but are able to hold your TV extremely close to the wall for a truly low profile setup. This also opens up a ton of space to be able to neatly manage your cables and hide streaming boxes in the recessed space behind your TV. We have two options for in-wall TV mounts. Let me show you them and quickly go over how to install them so you're more comfortable with the process if you want to achieve the same setup at home. Let's get started. The two in-wall mount options we have are the R300 and the R500. The difference between these two mounts are the size, weight, and VESA pattern supported by the mounts, as well as the size of the in-wall box that will be installed into the wall. Both mounts still allow you to achieve a low profile when pushed back, while also extending, tilting, and swiveling from the wall to give you the best viewing angles. Let's go through the install process. The R family of mounts are meant to be installed in your wall between two wooden studs 16 inches apart. You can use a stud finder to locate your studs and ensure the spacing is correct. Another consideration is your walls may have wiring, pipes, or plumbing located in the installation area. Make sure you are aware of what's in your walls before you start the install. If you're unsure, contact a professional to help you find what's behind the walls. I'm going to install the R500 today, but the process is similar for both mounts. The first step to install your mount will be to attach the vertical arms to the back of your TV. Now that the arms are installed, I can move on to the wall. Next, you'll want to identify what height you want your TV installed at. Check out our handy guide on how to find the best TV height for your setup in the description below. Once you've identified your height, you can find your studs. Using a stud finder, I'll mark where the stud begins. Now that I've identified the two studs and what height I want the TV to sit at, I can use this handy included template that comes with our mounts to guide you where to cut the drywall. With the template on the wall, I'm going to use a drywall saw to make the top and bottom horizontal cuts. It's recommended to start with the horizontal cuts because then you can cut all the way to either stud. Now I can remove the template and make the two vertical cuts. Don't worry, these cuts don't need to be perfect because the in-wall box has a lip to cover this area of the drywall up for a clean look. Once the drywall is cut and removed, you can go ahead and clean up behind the wall by removing any installation and making sure the wood studs are exposed to screw into. We can now place the box into the opening and mark where we are going to drill the securing holes with a pencil. Don't worry if the box doesn't fit snug. We'll be using these leg bolts to secure the box in the next step. We can now remove the box and drill our pilot holes, and then place the mount box into the wall and secure it into place. If you are installing the R300, you can skip the next step. The R500 has a separate arm assembly we need to secure. To do that, we place the arm assembly into the box, mark the holes, remove and drill, then secure. Now that the arms are secured, we can attach the TV to the arms. First, we will place this bar onto the arms and ensure it is level. Once it's level, we can tighten it down and hang the TV on the wall plate. You can shift the TV along the bar to place it exactly where you want it. Then we need to tighten these screws onto the arms and lock the TV onto the arm bracket. Next, you can tilt your TV to the desired angle and clean up your cables with these cable clips. Within the box, there are these openings to run AV cables down to your console, receiver, or other devices cleanly behind the drywall. Once everything is installed, you can set your TV nearly flush against the wall while also extending out to give you the best viewing angles from any seated position. Now that you've seen our in-wall TV mount installed, I hope it gives you the confidence to try it out with your next TV mounting project. These in-wall mounts are great for achieving a flush look without sacrificing the functionality of a full-motion TV mount. If you like this video and you want to see more about our mounts, check out our YouTube channel or visit us at kantomounts.com. I'm Brett with Kanto. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.